Question number 1. Choose the correct sentence. Option A. She don't like coffee. Option B. She does not like coffee. Answer the question in the comment section. And now we have question number 2 on the screen. What is the past tense of go? Option A. Gone. Option B. Went. Now we have question number 3 on the screen. I have lived here dash 5 years. So which option will be best for this? Option A since and option B for. Now let's move to the next question. Which word is synonym of happy? Option A sad, option B joyful. Now let's move to the next question. Choose the correct article. Dash apple a day keeps the doctor away. Option A, option B, N. Which option will be suitable for this question? Now let's move to the next question. What is the opposite of fast? Option A slow or option B quick. Which one will be the best? Now tell us. Question number 7. Choose the correct sentence. Option A, he is more taller than me, or option B, he is taller than me. Which option will be the best? Tell us in the comment section. Now, question number 8, fill in the blanks. She dash playing football right now. We have two options below. Option A is and option B or. Which one will be the best? Now let's move to the next question. Here we have question number 9. Which word is a verb? Option A run, option B blue. Now tell us or think deeply. Now let's move to the next question. What is the plural of child? Question mark. Option A childs, option B children. Which one will be the good or best answer? Question number 11. Choose the correct preposition. He is good dash math. Option A in, option B at. Which one will be the suitable for this? Now question number 12 we have, what does quickly describe? Option A noun, option B verb. Question number 13. Fill in the blanks. They dash to school yesterday. Very easy, very easy. We have two options, go, option B went. Which one will best? Now we have question number 14. Which is correct? Option A, I did not understood, or option B, I did not understand. A little bit typical but easy. I'm sure you will solve this very easily. Now let's move to the question number 15. Choose the correct word. This big is very. This bag is very dash. Option A heavy. Option B heavily. Think deeply. Which one will be the best or good answer? Now let's move question number 16 we have on the screen. What is the comparative of good? Option A gooder. Option B better. Now we have question number 17 on the screen. I dash never seen this movie before. Good one. Option A have, option B has. Now question number 18. Which sentence is correct? Option A, she can sings. Option B, she can sing. Which one? Only the difference of S. Tell us in the comment section. Now we have question number 19 in the what is the meaning of ancient? I hope the history student will pick it very fast. Option A modern, option B very old. Now we have the last question of the video. Choose the correct sentence. Option A, there is many people. Option B, there are. Option A, there is many people. Option B, there are many people. Very easy question to solve.